Okay. Uh, the question is very simple, and I would just love to. I think the light is too much for me. Oh, don't mind me. For me, really, the light is too much. I don't think I need that much light. But anyway, I just said, let me set it over. See, first and foremost, if you love to make over 100,000 in the month of April, I have an opportunity for you. Now, there's been a lot of people sending me messages asking about the TMN Media Copier. I'd like to break it down and explain how this whole thing is all about and why now? Why am I doing this? Okay, first and foremost, I need you to understand I'm not an investment specialist. I do not collect people's money to trade on their behalf. Um, I trade binary. I've been trading binary since 2014, and it's been awesome. Uh, it's been my main source of living, meaning it's profitable. Okay, but you see, over the years, because I train a lot of people, I've come to understand the main reason why a lot of people, okay, there's a lot of people that they cannot they cannot trade successfully because of their perception. So most times when I'm training them, I'm telling them, oh, do small trade, uh, do just one or two. They ended up doing 10, 20. Why? Because they are in a hurry to make money. They have bills to pay. So if you're looking for an opportunity, how can I make money? I don't think I have patience for me to start learning. Number one, it is not an investment opportunity, okay? I'm only doing the TMN Media Copier to help and assist my students, okay? And I felt the need for this because a lot of them are not even active on my group anymore, okay? Uh, Only out of like 1,000, I think 1,000 plus, only about probably half are still existing on groups. Why? Some, when Telegram spend like a year, they will knock you off. In fact, you'll be amazed that my own number that I use in creating my group has already been eliminated. Okay, if not that I made some of my other numbers admin, I will not have access to my own group. And there was another group I had like that for other people that I don't have access to anymore. I don't have access to it. I'm even trying to join the group. I created the group with the same number, and maybe because I left the number for so long and I wasn't active with it. Now, back to the matter, how can you make 100K in the month of April? I'll tell you, it's very simple. And I'll tell you the step-by-step process. We are starting actually in the 1st of April. The opportunity lies with TMN Media Copier. Now, I want to give you a background check on TMN Media Copier so that you understand. This is for everyone that has been asking me questions about it. Why? Why am I doing the copier? What do I stand to gain? See, if I don't do the copier, it does not disturb me. Okay, but I'm doing it to help. Why am I doing it to help? How will it help? It will be wonderful and nice for somebody to see the result of what he's trying to learn. You are trying to learn how to make money trading digitally, and you were able to put 100,000 aside and you're able to get like 50,000 at the end of the month. You will be motivated. It will ginger your swagger. If they say sit down there, you go sit down. Okay? Because I observe it has always been the way that I train people when I'm training people about trading Bitcoin. When you see the profit, you get to understand, oh, this thing is real. You can do it that way. So it's the same for binary. But because we have a lot of room to plan, to prepare, to train, you see the problem actually is greediness and lack of discipline. A lot of people don't want to spend time to discipline themselves. Have you seen a Kung Fu master? They spend years learning a technique how to fight. At the end of the day, the technique might not even be so great, but he will be so good at it that he can do any stunt. It requires discipline. Trading is not a get-rich-quick scheme. If you go in with that mindset, you will blow money. You will lose money. And the reason you will continue to go back is because while you are in the process of you trading, making money, you were trying to make money, and then you make small money, but you end up losing it. You didn't reach your target. Crazy targets, crazy stuff. Today is not for teaching, okay? Today is just to explain to you how you can benefit and why you need to take action. I've opened it up to anybody. It is not just for my student. That's why I'm announcing. That's why I'm even doing this explanation. The whole explanation, it's all about the TMNmedia Copier. Now, I need to tell you how TMNmedia Copier started. Actually, it started as Dollarist Robot, okay? Not S Robot. Semi-automatic robot is S Robot. Dollarist Robot is the one I created to trade my signals, okay? The way I'm trading the signals, you can trade the signals. I had to modify it to the TMNmedia Copier. Why? Because I later found out that the platform has upgraded their copier system and is working better than before. So I decided to use it. Now, there are a lot of flaws, there are a lot of errors. We were able to detect this last year. So I started TMNmedia Copier July last year, 2021. Last year, July. Okay, we had good runs. The first 2 months, 3 months, I think we were even making over 50%. And then in October, we had losses because of technical issues. Okay, we had losses because of technical issues. So I had to pause and I had to tell them, we didn't lose much. We didn't lose more than $20. For anybody that started with us till that time, we didn't lose more than $20. In fact, later, before we even ended the session, I made the money back. Okay? So I had to pause. I had to tell them, let me confirm the error, because I observed that every time I'm trading rise and fall, I am making money. People are not making money. When they enter, they don't exit when I am exiting. So I stopped trading rise and fall. So we only trade touch on the copier. We don't do rise and fall. We don't do any other version. It's only touch trades. The same touch trade you see me trade. Okay, that's what we do on the copier. So we stopped it last year and we started this year. So we started this year in the month of January. January and February, we were minimum balance $100. We were able to make at least $60. So each month we're making over $30. So we're able to make over 30% each month. But I felt $30 was too small. Why? Because the whole process was training me. I had to do my own personal trade, then do the copier trading. I was doing the copier myself, and at a point in time, I was combining it and connecting it to my auto trader. But I felt like it wasn't $30. $30 is like 15,000. It wasn't so much. Okay, so I felt we could get more. So I told people, okay, we're going to pause for the month of March. I'm going to work on it and make sure we can earn more. So instead of earning 15,000, can you earn 50,000, 100,000? Okay, that is the opportunity I'm bringing to you. Now, it is not an investment alone. The whole idea and the whole concept is to encourage my students, to motivate them to do the real thing. Okay, if I am doing small for you and I'm able to make 30%, imagine if you can do it yourself. If you know how to do it yourself, your earning can be controlled by you. Now, that is the main reason for the copier, okay, to allow them to concentrate. If you see the same thing I'm showing you, the same thing the copier is doing is making money, and you are not making money, it means you are not doing something right. You will learn to adjust. You are not going to be in a hurry to make money. You're going to calm down to want to learn. So that is the opportunity I present to people. Majority of my students are more than enough for me to cover, okay? I'm not looking for plenty people. And there is a limit it's going to get. I'm not going to accommodate any more people. Why? I don't need volume. Hello, I'm not an investment platform. No, at all. And I'm not trading for people. I am doing this to help. Okay, the plan is to make money. And the plan is to convince you, to show you this thing we are doing to make money actually works if you will stick by the rule. Okay? Because a lot of people, I've done it before, I've done signals before. I've seen people's action. When it comes to investment, I know there are some people, they can come and create 10 accounts, 20 accounts, put 20 million. Oh, you don't know. There are people who, all what they are looking for is investment. I've had people disturb my life, trade for me. Okay, we will share it 50-50. I'm not interested. If I'm making $50, $100, I'm okay with it. Leave me. At least I know how to generate the money. You too, learn how to generate it yourself. What I teach is how you will get it yourself, so that you don't depend on anybody. You don't even have to depend on me. You hone the strategy. It becomes your own. You'll be able to do as you please with it. That is what the whole masterclass is all about. Now, how do you come in? And what is the guarantee you are even going to make money? What guarantee do you have that you are going to make money? Let me tell you the guarantee I have. I'm going to make money. If there is anything in this trading business I've learned over the years, I know how to make $10. Hello. In my sleep, I can make $10. Okay, today is Sunday. I've not even traded. I've not done anything, but my robot has made me $50. Okay. So what is the robot doing? The robot is trading what I am doing. As I'm talking to you now, you are hearing all these sounds. They are signals. Signals I can use to trade. I have a bot working right now. I have a bot working right now. It's the same thing. It's trading the same thing I'm doing. I've upgraded I'm trying to add artificial intelligence to my robots before I even think about. I'm not interested in people. So don't even call me and start asking me, you said you had a bot. Can I buy your bot? I'm not interested. Hello. I've spent 3 years, invested 3 years pushing this thing, tweaking it to suit me the way I want it. I don't want to trade again. My robot will be trading for me. But you see, how will you make money? Okay? How will you make money? What is the guarantee I will make money? I've just told you my own guarantee. If I've been doing it every day, the whole month of March, I even had to do a recording of the activity to show and to convince them that it's possible to make more. Okay? If you don't have, what is my guarantee? Please go and watch all my series for this year that I've made in the month of March. Just watch only the month of March. From the beginning of the month of March up till, I think I stopped, whether last week or so. I stopped last week. I was tired of recording. Why? Recording distracts me a lot. A lot of people don't know this, that it takes a lot to put into recording. It distracts. There are times I'm supposed to click enter. I am trying to click record first before enter. So most time I end up entering late entries, and I don't want it. I don't like it. It's not part of the new culture I'm breeding. That's why I have to stop it. So there has to be limits. Now, if you're wondering, what is the guarantee I'm going to make money if I put my money here? Ogbeni, go and watch my video. Finish. I don't have any more. I'm not here to even convince you. Remember, it's for my students. If I'm not here to convince anybody, I don't even need plenty people. I'm only making this video for those who do not know the story or the history about TMNmedia Copier. Okay? Even if you don't know about me, you are just following me or you are just hearing about this for the first time, please watch this video. You have any question, you have any doubt to know whether it's possible to make money, please go to my YouTube channel. Go and convince yourself. If you are convinced, fine. If you are not convinced, it does not concern me. It's none of my business. I'm trying to help. So I don't have to stress myself or shalaye myself. I don't need to explain myself. How do you get on board on the TMNmedia Copier? Now let me tell you, it is strictly by subscription. Now for the first month that we had, January, February, I didn't collect 1 naira. Okay? Because I'm trying to stabilize it. I didn't collect anything. So you have just 2 packages. You have $250. Okay? $250. If you have $250, that's 1 package. $250 is going to make you like $100 plus at the end of the month. You have $500, you're going to make at least over $200 at the end of the month. Now, the subscription package for these 2 packages for $250 is $10,000. So if you know your minimum capital where you get, the minimum amount of money you have for the business, for you to trade, you put it aside. When I am trading, what I trade on my account is going to be copied to your account. So if I trade sell right now, 10 index on your own account is going to trade that only when you have money and you are connected and subscribed to the package. So it's going to connect and trade. And when you are no longer interested, you can stop. Even if you don't want it to start, you can pause it, you can stop. You have control over your account. You're not giving your money to anybody. You are not giving your money to me. Your money will be in your own binary account while trading are going on. Okay? So once you have 250, it is 10,000 subscription fee. You have minimum of $500. It is 20,000 subscription fee. For $500, you're going to make at least over 100,000. For 250, you're going to make at least over $100. Are you getting me right now? So that is the subscription plan. And the subscription is going to be open from the 1st of April. Is it open now? Can't I just subscribe now? No. Don't bother yourself. Relax. It's not open now. You can't subscribe now, okay? You subscribe on the 1st of April. From 1st of April to 10th of April, it's going to be open for anybody to subscribe. While you are waiting from 1st of April to 10th of April, we are going to be trading. Okay, but we're not trading with the actual plan. We're going to be trading, testing that your account is connected and is making money. It is normal routine for me to do that. Okay, so that even when you connect, you can confirm that your account is copying, it's working. Okay, so you will be able to confirm, is it working? If there is any technical issue with your account, we have a group. Once you subscribe, the group will be open, available for you on your app. You will be able to go there, make any comments, make any observation you have, and it will be corrected and looked into. So once you're connected, you test, boom, you are done. Are you getting me? Now, once you've done all this, you are good and ready to go. You are good and ready to go. So after 10th, nobody can subscribe again. After on the 10th of April, nobody can subscribe again. Why? We would have fully enforced our trading plan. Okay? Before 10th of April, would we have made money? Yes. We will make money. Okay? There is no dolly. We will make money. But you see, the trading plan will commence once it's closed. We will now start our trading plan. I can't start turning your camera and start showing you whatever. There will always be room for making profit, and there will always be room for losses. But you see, can you minimize losses that you don't even get to smell it? Yes, it's possible. I've done this year, I think I've done close to 45 days before I had one loss. Yes, and that one loss was even because I was distracted. So I need you to understand, is it possible for you to make money and for you to be consistent? Slow and steady does it. It's not in doing 10, 20, okay? Because later on, you will not be able to continue. You will not be able to foot the bill. It is not a one-time, a quick get money quick scheme. No, not at all. Far from it. It is simply an investment opportunity, a business opportunity. Does it have risk? What are the possibilities that you might lose money? Yes, you might lose money, but I can assure you that you're going to come out profitable. Why am I confident? Because I'm not risking too much. I'm not even aiming for something I cannot get. It is something I can get with my eyes closed. Okay, 30% is something I can get even in a day. If you don't know, you are looking for conviction, please go to my YouTube channel. Watch all my previous videos till current videos. You will understand. So I'm not trading heavy like I used to before now. I don't calm down. Why? I would love to trade with like 2 million, 4 million, one stake. I'm not talking about managing. No, one stake, one time. So if I want to do that, I need to control myself. I need to gain mastery. I need to calm down. That's my daughter. Hey, come back later, my friend. Come back. I'm doing video. Today is our day, and I'm supposed to. Our birthday was yesterday, so we just went out. We just came in. So I said, I have not done this. I need to explain this to everybody, please. And if you are interested in trading, okay, I'll also give an opportunity to people who are connected to the copier. So you can do more by yourself, but you see, you learn to relax and take the bull by the horn. Don't be in a hurry. And also, for some people, they cannot embrace losses. They don't want to hear anything losses. Losing is part of the business. So will there be losses? Yes. Hey, expect it now. You see, I'm drawing my hair. Expect losses. There's no business that does not have up and down. There must be up and down. So there is likely to be losses. The problem why you have not been able to trade by yourself is because you refuse to admit losses is part of the trading. It's part of trading. Do I have fixed losses? Do I have plan for losses? Yes. I have a loss guide here. I have rules here. Trading rules for profits. And I have trading rules for losses. Oh, what about if the market is not favoring me? What do I do? You don't want to admit. You just want to be collective. And that's why you even have two big targets. So if you want to learn how to trade, you can go for my free signal. You learn how to do that. And if you want proper training, you can go for my masterclass. You will get a step-by-step guide. I'll teach you simple tricks. You don't need to be doing plenty demo trading, whatever. Stop it. If you're doing demo, I know some of my students before now that they have hundreds of thousands in their virtual balance. In fact, there was one time, whether 2020, calling me, asking me how he or she can collect virtual money. They want to collect virtual money. Yeah, they want to collect virtual. I know some of them that they have even stopped trading. Why? They could not help themselves. Each time they say what they say they are not going to do, they end up doing it. And most of this reason is why I'm setting up the TMNmedia copier. Why? Okay, you have a lot of, they know they hear them, they know they listen to instruction. They are Montula Pepperoni. Okay, if you are not my student, you are hearing this. It's not an abusive word. It's just somebody that is stubborn. You know the year word. They like to do wetin dey their mind. They like to do what they have as their own personal intention, despite the fact they are aware it's wrong. So when you know, oh, you are the one calling your downfall, you are the one causing this to happen. Instead, what you're supposed to stop, not to repeat, you continue repeating it. Why? Your objective and your mindset is wrong. Today is not for trading. It's not for trading either. But I need to let you know, because before you can commit your money into something else, you need to believe in it. So don't just be investment. People are quick to give money out to collect money. All these years, they have been scamming people, collecting billions. Yet they are still collecting billions. Why? Greediness. It's not their fault. They have bills to pay. You have bills to pay. You also want to learn this thing. They are both fighting in your heart. You don't know how to control them. Hey, over the years, I've learned how to control them. It is because you have alternative. Yes, number one reason is because you have alternative you are looking for. If I don't trade, no money. Hey, here now. If I don't trade, no money, no feeding money with that, no money anywhere. There is nobody that is going to give me any money from anywhere. So it's my only source of income. So you now say I will not master it. I will not die there. I will not live there. Mario. You know Mario? I'll become Mario. I must reach home. So if you don't understand this. And there is a reason why I'm explaining this. So that anybody will not start asking me after 10th of April, you now say you want to connect. And let me tell you the plan. The plan is not just to make money, okay? The plan is to actually grow your portfolio. Hello? So that's why I said it's not an open stock. It will get to a point, I'm not going to be talking about it. You will not hear shishi from me. Why? Because where we are heading to is hard. Okay? Thank you. I try my best to let people understand. Over the year, I stopped training people. I think last year I didn't train people. I stopped until late in the year. And I said, okay, let me try and these people that have been disturbing me, let me try and teach them. I stopped because a lot of people think it's just by Moses. Thank you. A lot of people think it's just I make money from training. That's why I said, okay, so you take all your 30, there is no promo I've not done. I've done 7,000 naira pro. Hello, 10,000 pro, 15,000 naira pro, 20,000. Name it. Even when my cost was at 40,000, I was still collecting 20,000, 15,000. Look, imagine. So there is no promo I have not done. And let me tell you, the list of amount I spend to run adverts that get to people that come to me in a month, over $600, $700. How much do they pick together? $20, $20,000, $15,000, $30,000. Well, you think that there are months I was owing, what do you call it? Oh, can you imagine that? He's not even on the list itself. There was month I was owing Google for adverts. So I need you to understand, you want to take advantage of this, you can make money in the month of April. The plan is a long plan, okay? I'm not going to be talking about it again. Hello, I told you I'm not interested in plenty people. I'm only trying to help my students. So if you're my student, you know what to do. The website is copy.tmnmedia, okay? Copy.tmnmedia.com. I am not going to repeat or promote copy trading here now. If you don't know, I'm not going to promote it or repeat it or start talking about it. It does not concern me. Why? Because when I start talking about it, more people are going to come. I don't want more people. I don't want crowd. I'm just looking at 20, 30 people. But imagine I have 1,750 students. my students alone are enough. There are some of them I may not be able to get to. That's why I know they follow my channel, they are subscribed, they could hear and see that. That's why I'm doing this. And I have over 23,000 people. So some people might show interest, no problem. I don't have problem if non-students show interest. They can connect. You can connect, okay? But you're not going to be able to connect with multiple accounts, okay? Number one, auto payment is disabled. So once you connect, you are ready to go. All you need to do is you see the bank details, you make payment, you forward your payment details to the WhatsApp number on the page. You will be able to connect ASAP. Okay? You connect your WhatsApp, you send your details, you're going to be activated. Video guides, instruction on how to connect your real account to your real account, how to connect your demo to my demo. It's available on the platform. You'll be able to watch the video guide and do step by step. Okay? There's nothing difficult for you to do there. It's very simple and clear. Just follow this and you're fine. I'll try to see if I can make short video where I will just summarize all these things so that you'll be able to understand them and take the necessary action. But you want to catch in on this. What you need to do is very simple. Subscribe. Once you subscribe, activate yourself and wait it out. You are not doing anything. I'm the one doing trading. You are the one making money. Yeah. That's why sometimes I don't even want to do the thing. Okay? Personally, I don't want to do it. But every time I see the need for it, the need is what keeps me to want to do it. The need. I look at the percentage of my students that have stopped trading because they have lost so much to binary. Why? Not that the strategy is not working. They are just Montulans. They know the year word. They want quick money, quick cash you cannot get from the platform. They will collect it sharp, sharp. As I'm talking to you, I can carry my phone and say, hey, oh yeah, let me look for signal and show you and make the money. It does not make, I've done that over the years. I'm tired of doing it. Okay, the only way I can get to show you, the only way I can get to show you is with real money. When people see my trade, some of them think it's demo money. No, before I used to load, I'll deposit. Okay, I had to deposit with card. When I was still using card, I would deposit with card, deposit with perfect money, so that you see the deposit, and then you see what I do with it. And some of you might have a problem with when you're watching my video, you see me use all that I have. I'm not using all my capital. Hello, no. I only deposit 20 or 30 or 40% of my money. I only deposit the stake. Most times before I deposit the stake I'm going to use. Stake is part of your capital that you are going to be risking to make more money. Okay, not all your money. So don't make that error. A lot of people make that error and swiftly they blow their account. You have to learn, know why the guy does what he does. So God bless you. I don't have any other business. Hello. So if you see me keeping quiet, I'm not talking, I'm not typing, I'm not making video, I'm not Ogbeni, I dey work. Okay. I've enrolled for developer course. I've been learning developer courses. I want to become a programmer myself. Why? Because I want to build some stuff for trading. It's not just binary alone for trading. Okay, so I'm working on so many things. And the one I've been working on for years, I said I must first close that. And I'm there. Hey, I'm there. See you another time. God bless you. If you have any question, leave in the comment section.